Yeah, electric cars. Everyone wants you to buy an electric car. At least the government does. But do you know for every kilowatt you pull out of an electric car battery, you got to put 3 or 4 kilowatts back in? That's just the physics of batteries. Oh, solid state batteries are going to eliminate that, but when is that going to happen? And then pundits for EVs say they have so many less moving parts, but they cost 2 or 3 times as much as a sedan. You could buy a sedan, ICE sedan, for like $20,000 or so. Well, let's say 24,000. But an EV, they're 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,000, depending on how much you want to spend, how much you want to show off. So basically what you're buying all your energy up front. And that's a lot of energy. So you got to be a rich person. And now the automakers are saying that they can't make an affordable EV. They gave up on it. Forget about it. 20,000 EVs, not going to happen. Well, that sounds like BS to me. I'm going to stick with my ICE engine for as long as possible. And then you're just shoving the generation somewhere else. A big mega project is going to burn fossil fuels and transmit it over wires, and instead of just burning it in your engine locally. So it's a zero-sum game. There's no winning. It's all bogus. Everything is phony baloney. We live in a messed up world. Get back to me in 100 years.